Hello and welcome in. Today's video is another packing video, but this is packing everything for my upcoming short weekend trip. I'm not going to be using a suitcase. I have a weekender bag that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to try to pack everything that I need in this one bag. There are quite a few things that I need to see if I can compact into this one bag, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we are. I've got you on the floor. This is everything that I need to get into this one bag. I will say there are a few things I still need to pack. I have 2 dresses that I'm waiting to dry, first medications, phone chargers, things that I have to wait until the very end to be able to pack. I'm gonna move the main bag out of the way for a moment. And let's start with our toiletry bag. This is the bag that I used when I went on my cruise. I will link that video for you if you are interested. In the front portion here, I have a mirror and some feminine products there. Let's really get into the middle of this one. All right, so I have a travel toothbrush. In these, I have some Pond's cold cream and my body lotion. I have some facial moisturizer, toothpaste, mouthwash. Over here, I have some shampoo, conditioner, body wash, antibacterial soap. In the spray bottles, I have body oil and heat protectant. I have some deodorant. And over here, I have some washcloths. For now, that's everything in here. All right, let's jump over to this bag. So this bag is where I will put my medications when the time comes, but I have a few other things in here already. I have a first aid kit, some jewelry, which I do not have very much of at all, but I do want to keep it separate and protected, so I have it in this little travel case. Now in this little bag, how cute and adorable, I have my travel perfumes and kind of body sprays, that sort of thing. Let's go to this bag. This bag, I have some undergarments, bathing suit cover up, and a bathing suit. I will put my actual clothing, and now that I'm thinking of it, I need pajamas. I need pajamas. Okay, so I'm still waiting on my dresses, and I need to pack pajamas. I'll get those in another bag. But for now, this is everything in here. Let's go to the beach bag. The beach bag has its own stuff in here. I have some flip-flops, some electrolyte packets, and a wet bag. In here, I still need to put a beach towel and my bubble insulated cup that I will take to put water. I have my travel neck pillow. Have my makeup bag. If you didn't see that video, then I will link it for you. Have 2 purses that I'm going to take, and then over here I have a pair of sandals in this bag. That's what those look like. Let me run and get the pajamas and my beach towel real quick. You may be able to hear the rain outside. It is pouring, but I went and got my pajamas and a beach towel, so let's go ahead and see what we can get in this bag. I'm going to start in this middle compartment here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup in there since that is quite heavy. And then I'm going to put in the shoes. Let's go with this bag and then this bag. I think that's all I'm going to be able to get in this middle one. Let's go to this back one. I forgot my toiletry bag. I might need to take out shoes from over here. Will this fit in here now? I don't think so. All right, let's take out the shoes. Let's put in the toiletries. See if these will go back in. I am determined to only use this one weekender bag. Now I know my beach bag probably will not be included. It's going to be its own bag, but I can live with that. Now back to this back part. Let's put the shoes in. This looks quite stuffed. Let's see if it will zip. All right, it is tight, but it did fit. This neck pillow will just be kind of attached here. We'll use that to close those. And then we have the beach bag as well. So this is it. Again, I have a few electronical things, my medicines that I need to pack, but those should fit in there fine. The majority of everything is in this bag, with the exception of everything in this beach bag, but I'm okay with that. Taking 2 bags, that's okay. So that's everything. I was able to get what I needed in this one weekender bag. I'm thankful because I did not want to pull out at my actual luggage. I do have multiple pieces of actual like luggage with wheels and handles and all that, but I didn't want to use that. And now I'm ready for this trip.